Hello, I'm John Vincent Carl Coraza from AMA Computer College Fairview, and I'm making a tutorial of easy window transfer. First, go to start, then type Windows Easy Transfer. As you can see, there are two types of programs here. First is Windows Easy Transfer and Windows Easy Transfer Reports. So, click the Windows Easy Transfer. Then next, choose a selection. The third selection. This is my new computer. Click. Then click yes. Use the driver where the old files came. Click open. Put the password and click next. Wait for the result. Then click transfer. Wait until the transfer